Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to make money from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to make money online in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell your skills to a global audience. Whether it's writing, video editing, graphic design, or even voiceovers, you can start earning today. Start with small gigs, build up your portfolio, and raise your rates over time. Don't know your skill yet? Try free platforms like Coursera or YouTube to learn. Next, print on demand. Create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. You upload the design and platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify handle the rest. Production, shipping, and customer service. All you do is earn passive income for every sale. Pro tip: use Canva or Midjourney to create designs even with zero art skills. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. You can promote products through a YouTube channel, Instagram page, TikTok, or a blog. Join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact Radius, and start earning commission today. Even 10 views a day can start generating passive income. Want true passive income? Create a digital product once and sell it forever. Ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, stock photos, the options are endless. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy make it easy to start selling instantly. And the best part? No shipping, no inventory, just pure profit. Bonus tip: use ChatGPT or InVideo to help you create content faster. Prefer something more stable? Go for a remote job. Companies are hiring virtual assistants, customer support reps, and even project managers, all online. Sites like We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and Remote OK are filled with legit listings. You can earn a full-time income without commuting ever again. There's never been a better time to make money online. You don't need to be a tech genius, you just need to start. Pick one method from this video and take action today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips every week. Comment below, which method are you going to try first?